Here's the good news. That disappointment is not the final chapter. God never ends in a negative. If you'll keep moving forward with your life, God promises in Philippians 1:6, He will bring you to a flourishing finish. Not a defeated finish, a bankrupt finish, a betrayed finish, a barely get by finish. No, in your future, God has a victorious finish. That setback, the disappointment, the betrayal, instead of it working against you, God knows how to turn it around and cause it to work for you. When you're in difficult times, don't settle where you are. Don't put your roots down and think that it's never going to change. No, for every setback, God's already lined up a comeback. For every injustice, vindication. For every disappointment, restoration, new beginnings. In 2 Corinthians 2:14 it says, "Thanks be to God who always causes us to triumph." You could say we're in a fixed fight. We already know the outcome. In the end, we will be victorious. Sometimes I'll record a football game and watch it when I get home later. I already know how the game ends. I've talked to friends, watched the news. I know my team wins. And so while I'm watching, I don't get discouraged if my team falls behind. I don't get uptight if it's halftime and we still haven't scored. I'm totally at peace. Why? I already know the outcome. The truth is, the further behind we fall, the more excited I am, because that means a big comeback is on its way. I can't wait to see what's going to happen. As believers, this is the promise God makes to us. You may go through disappointments. At times it seems like you're far behind, like it's never going to work out. But you got to remind yourself, I am in a fixed fight. I already know the outcome. God never ends in defeat. When it's all said and done, I'm the victor and not the victim. I'm going to come out of this setback not defeated, bedraggled, half dead. No, I'm going to come out promoted, increased, healthier, to a flourishing finish.